Days later, Jio has crossed the 100 million customer mark. Jio has crossed the 100 million customer mark on its 4G LTE all IP wireless broadband network. A heartfelt thank you to each and every one of our customers from all of us at Jio. This milestone belongs to you. This milestone belongs to everyone who believed in Jio. This milestone belongs to the entire Jio community of nearly 60,000 employees, of lakhs of team members of our technology partners, and over tens of lakhs of our retail partners, involving a community from all across India and creating sustainable employment for more than 50 lakh people. This record is an achievement of India and Indians. Just think about it. For 170 days, Jio has added, on average, nearly 7 customers on its network every single second of every single day. This is an unprecedented level of acceptance for any technology company anywhere in the world. We are grateful for and truly humbled by the enormous belief and the unwavering trust that you have placed in us. Jio has risen to these lofty heights only because of the affection and enthusiasm shown by you, our first 100 million customers. You have joined us from across our great nations, all the 29 states and the 7 union territories of India. Again, to all of you, I say, Abhar, Dhanyavad, Shukriya, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Friends, in a few short months, Jio customers have created numerous records. Every single day, Jio users make more than 200 crore minutes of voice and video calls. And when it comes to data, remember, before Jio, India was 150th in the world in broadband penetration. But last month, Jio users consumed more than 100 crore gigabytes of data. Hundred crore gigabytes of data was consumed on the Jio network. That is more than 3.3 crore gigabytes a day. Today, India is the #1 country in the world for mobile data usage. Jio users consume nearly as much mobile data as the entire United States of America and nearly 50% more mobile data than all of China. A significant portion of this data is consumed as video, and Jio carries nearly 5.5 crore hours of video daily on its network. This makes Jio one of the largest mobile video networks globally. In just 6 months, India and Indians have shown that we too can use data at par with the most advanced nations. You have shown that India can and will adopt digitization and digital life faster than anyone else in the world. I have always believed that India has the potential to be among the top 5 nations for broadband penetration. The records that you have set in the last 170 days tells us that we are well and truly on our way. Friends, we have spent the last 6 months listening to you and learning from you ways to improve our customer experience and deliver impeccable quality. At the same time, we have also continued to build on our strengths. For instance, let's look at Jio's network coverage. We have been building the Jio True 4G network for the last 6 years. This is a significant advantage we have over our existing fellow Indian operators. Today, we already have more than double the number of 4G base stations when compared to those of all the other Indian operators put together. And we are making our network better, faster, and stronger with each passing day. In the coming months, we will more than double again our data capacity, and this means even better quality for our customers. By the end of 2017, the Jio network will be present in nearly all the cities, towns, and villages of India and cover 99% of our country's population. This kind of superior network and customer experience is already making Jio the operator of choice. In fact, lakhs of Jio customers have already done mobile number portability when moving to Jio, and this trend is increasing every day. With the Aadhaar-based process, initiating mobile number portability has become a simple and fast process. I hope that more Jio customers will opt for MNP and make Jio their permanent home. Ladies and gentlemen, Jio was conceived to be a steadfast partner to India and Indians in our digital transformation. Because of this, Jio is trained to be a customer-obsessed organization. We are obsessed to deliver world-class connectivity, and we have unlimited passion to deliver a superior experience to all our customers. Our investments and technology innovations have created a data-strong network that delivers unmatched quantity and quality of data. Data is the oxygen of digital life, and it is our promise that Jio will provide world-class quantity and quality of data at prices that are affordable to all Indians. It is our credo that while we are the best today, we will always strive to be better tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, Jio's extremely popular Happy New Year offer is approaching its end on 31st March of this year. Starting 1st April, Jio will start offering its tariff plans. On all of Jio's tariff plans, all domestic voice calls to any network will always remain free. Across India, to any network, always. And no roaming charges, no blackout days, and no hidden charges. In the last few months, hundreds of offers have been launched by the industry. These plans have created a lot of confusion in the market, and customers are having what I call data and value anxiety, whether they are getting the best value for the price that they are paying. So we have decided to do something that will remove this confusion once and for all. Jio is instituting a comprehensive process of monitoring all publicly announced plans from all operators across the country on a regular basis. And at Jio, we will not only match the highest selling tariff of each of the other leading Indian telecom operators, but in addition, we will provide 20% more data in each of these plans. This is our promise of everyday more value. This is our promise of everyday more value to Jio customers. You no longer have to worry if you are getting the best value with Jio. In addition to these plans, we will of course have Jio's own tariff plans, which we believe are by far the best in the industry. It's Jio's solemn promise to always offer better value for the best price. Friends, our 100 million initial customers have a special place in our hearts. You are the first believers in Jio. You are Jio's foundation. You are Jio's ambassadors. In fact, you are the co-founders of the Jio movement. You took the leap of faith to be amongst the first Indians to adopt 4G LTE, the most advanced broadband technology in the world. You showed the enthusiasm to use broadband data on par with or better than users in the most advanced countries. And your invaluable and constructive feedback inspired us to set new benchmarks in customer experience and technical excellence. दोस्तों, सरल शब्दों में कहूं तो आपने हम पर विश्वास किया और इसलिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत आभारी हूं। और अब हमारा ये कर्तव्य है कि जो कोई जियो के साथ है उसको आने वाले दिनों में सबसे अधिक फायदा मिले। Today is the day for me to show my gratitude to you, the initial 100 million customers, and to ensure that you always continue to get extreme value with Jio. So today, I want to announce a custom-made program called the Jio Prime membership program only for current Jio customers and Jio customers who join us on or before the 31st of March this year. All of these Jio customers can enroll for the Jio Prime membership for a full year for a nominal one-time fee of only rupees 99. Enrollment will start from the 1st March and will remain open until 31st March 2017. The Jio Prime members are eligible for some amazing benefits. 1. Jio Prime members can continue enjoying the unlimited benefits that they have got used to during the Jio New Year offer for another 12 months until 31st March 2018. Only the Jio Prime members can get this tremendous value for a rock-bottom introductory price of only rupees 303 per month, effectively just rupees 10 per day for another full year. We will offer other extreme value plans exclusively for our Jio Prime members, and you will be able to see their details via the MyJio app and Jio.com. 2. Jio Prime members can get the full bouquet of Jio's media services worth over rupees 10,000 for an annual subscription, completely free for one full year until 31st March 2018. And 3.